Hi friends, today I am going to show you about how to make an inclined plane and a pulley. First you take this inclined plane and paste a sticker which has the sign inclined plane on it. Now take these blue things. Paste one like this. And another like this. So now let's just keep this aside right now, and you take like this, place wedge here like that, and take this inclined plane and keep like this from one outer side, and another like this and keep like this. Since there's a little gap and this won't fit, we need to take this, place a wedge and keep it here. And take this straw, keep it like this, and keep this inside, and pull this and keep this inside. So now we've done a pulley. Now we just need to take this and keep it like this. Oh. Yeah. So now we take this and we should tie this lower like this into the basket, and take these marbles right here and keep them like this. Then you just place them like this, Then you take this basket and fill them with the remaining marbles and set them properly. And here you go. We have a pulley helping the inclined plane. It's like this. This is the load, and we pull it like this. So this which we are pulling is called pulley, and this which the load is coming up is called inclined plane. So now we've done with our first activity. So now let's just keep this aside for now and remove this. Then we need to just the second activity is so much easier than the first one. So what we need is just these two, and the first step is to just take this and cut it like this. That's the second one, so just keep it this side. And this is the third one. We need these materials, and first take this long plastic tube and insert it to the screw head, and take this one and you see this screw and keep it like this. Then now we should do like this. Yeah.